Star Shepherd. I am 11 years old. I am a first-year member of the Cactus Critters 4-H Club. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a brooder for your new chickens.
Chickens?
Chicks. For your new chicks. So, this is my brooder. It's a heated place to put your new chicks. It needs a heat lamp. It needs food, water, and bedding. Bedding you can use is pine shavings, paper shavings, pine shavings, but make sure not to use cedar shavings because it has a strong scent and it could kill your chick. The brooder temperature should be how old your chicken is. Like if it's 1 to 2 weeks, it should be 90 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's and then you decrease it by 5 every week until 5 weeks. The final temperature is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. At 5 weeks, you can take away the heat lamp. So our chicks are 1 week old. So then the brooder is 95 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, you could tell by how hot or cold the heat lamp is by, if it's too hot, they'd be on the sides with their wings up and panting. And if it's too cold, they'd be huddled up underneath the light. But if it's just right, they'd be moving around and playing or doing whatever they want to.
So is our brooder too hot or too cold or just right? How do you know?
Because they're moving around. Other things you can put in here are ducklings, goslings, or other animals. My sources are Purina, Mills.com, Oregon State University Poultry Project 4-H member guide, and thespruce.com. Thespruce.com.
Chickens?
Chicks. For your new chicks.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Hello, babies.
Oh!